How to use Linktree to promote multiple CPA links at once. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Linktree to promote multiple CPA links at once. You can either go to Linktree website or download their app from App Store or Google Play Store. Once you log in, then on the Link tab, you should see this option, Add New Link. Click on Add New Link. Now you can paste different links on the URL at the top. Copy the link from your desired website, then paste it right here. To paste the URL, click on Use URL from Clipboard. Once that's done, click on the arrow icon. If you want to add more links, then click on Add New Link, and now repeat the process again. But make sure that each time you paste a different link. After that, click on the arrow icon again and it will be saved on your profile, just like as you can see right here. And now you can copy the link of your Linktree profile. Now paste that in different social media bio. Now anyone who clicks the link will get to see every link that you have entered. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.